blue room, a new room or two room, where every day's a holiday because you're married to me. Not like a ballroom, a small room, a hall room, where I can smoke my pipe away with your wee head upon my knee. We will thrive on, keep alive on, just nothing but kisses, with Mr. and Mrs. on little blue chairs. You sow your trousseau, and Robinson Crusoe is not so far from worldly cares as our blue room far away upstairs.